Well, hello there, everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and as we are all getting ready for Thanksgiving, I have made this dip today, and it has become a Thanksgiving tradition in my family thanks to Missy. She makes this every year and brings it as an appetizer, and we all just love it. I mean, we gobble it up. It always seems like we're standing around in the kitchen waiting for the turkey and everything else to be done. So this is a perfect appetizer. It's so addictive. It is a cranberry jalapeno dip, and I'm telling you, it's just phenomenal. It is just so good. So I'm excited to share this recipe with you today. And I'm starting out this video a little backwards because I am going to eat some right now. And then I'm going to show you guys how to make it. So you're going to need some cilantro, some fresh cranberries, a jalapeno pepper, 1 lemon, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, and 1/4 of a cup of heavy cream. So I've given my cranberries a quick rinse, and now I am going to place them onto my cutting board, and I'm just going to take a knife here and cut them by hand. Well, that is as long as I can keep them on my board. Now I'm doing this instead of a food processor because a food processor tends to make them a little bit too watery. And now I'm just going to place my chopped cranberries into a bowl. All right, so next I'm going to chop my jalapeno. And I'm taking a spoon and I'm scraping out the seeds and the ribs. But if you want to add a little extra spice, keep those seeds in and they will make your dip a little bit more spicy. And you want to cut your jalapeno as finely chopped as possible. Then add your jalapenos to your cranberries. And then chop about 1 to 2 tablespoons of cilantro, but that's completely up to you. And then the juice of 1 lemon. Then add your sugar and stir everything together. Cover with some plastic wrap and keep in your refrigerator overnight. All right, so I'm taking my cream cheese and I'm mixing it with a hand mixer. And this cream cheese has been sitting at room temperature. Then I'm going to add my heavy cream and I'm going to mix until it gets nice and light and fluffy. Now you can get the whipped cream cheese if you want and then skip the step with the heavy cream. All right, so now I'm going to take this cream cheese mixture and I'm going to spread it out into the bottom of a dish. Now this is actually a pie plate. And I'm just going to spread it out evenly. All right, so my cranberries have been in the refrigerator overnight, and as you can see, they've got a lot of liquid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain that liquid off of my cranberries. If you don't do that, it will be a little too wet. And then I'm going to place them on top of my cream cheese. And there you go. That's all there is to it. I just think that food is amazing, how we all have our little traditions and the things that we have every single year. And when we eat it, it just brings us right back to a special time. And this dip, I'm telling you, as crazy as it sounds, as I am eating this, it just brings me right back to Thanksgiving. That's what I think of when I eat this dip. Now this would be good all through the holidays. It's a perfect appetizer to take to a party. It's just good, guys. I don't have anything else to say. I mean, it is sweet and tangy, a little bit of a spice with the jalapenos. I mean, who would have thought that cranberries and jalapenos would go so good together? But they do. Well, the only thing else I know to say is don't knock it until you try it. I think you'll be really surprised at how delicious this dip is. I want to wish all of you a very happy Thanksgiving. I am so grateful to each and every one of you who support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting. It means the world to me. So I really hope that you have a wonderful Thanksgiving. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.